Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Hopefully everyone had a good day today. It is Saturday, so we are talking about the stock market on a day that's closed. But I want to make this my September update because I don't think I've even referenced my or even shown my investment portfolio in September. The last time I posted an update, I believe my account was at 26,000-ish around there in August when I was talking about Tesla stock. So we were about $3,000 deep more in there. And I don't think I've even put that much money into this account. I only do about $20 a week and then like random like spouts of like hundreds usually. But I don't think I put like a lot of money into this account recently since the last video. I just invested in, I just haven't sold anything and I kept my same stocks in there. So we'll go ahead and check it out. At one point though, my account was worth, I think, 33,000. That was like at Tesla's peak and then just completely fell down from there. So we're like kind of going back up because like we have battery day coming up. So that's why I'm at 29. Before that, I actually want to show the graph chart so you can see like my progress this whole like year. So we click on here. You can see from, let's say March right here. We'll go to February. February, we were at 3,000 in my account. And that's when the market started tanking. And I had a lot of money on the side saved up. So I just started like investing. I started putting a lot of money into my Schwab account. I bought Tesla stock, I bought Apple, and then my account just like slowly started going up. I bought FMCI, and my account just slowly started going up. Like anytime I had extra money, I knew the market was down. I was like, I'm gonna just delay all the things I want to buy, and I'm gonna just put into the market right now because I knew it was a great time to buy. So that's what happened there. And then this is my peak in my account, 31,000. I think that was a Tesla peak when like Tesla stock was like super overvalued. It was like, I think after the split, it was worth like 510, and it was insane. And after that, it just completely crashed. My account dropped all the way down to 23,000 right after that crash, and now we're back at 29. So that's pretty good. That's why you never sell. Like you don't sell stock unless you're going bankrupt. But besides that, I don't sell my stock usually. So I went from 31 to 23. That's down 8,000, but I kept it in there, and we're back at 29. So that's pretty good. Going over the graph. All right, so let's jump back to the account. This is just like the Friday's losses and gains. So you can see that sometimes some companies did good. FMCI, this penny stock, I have Gevo. Pershing Squared, that's Bill Ackman's SPAC, and then Tesla was up $18, and then I have 52 shares, so I went up 973. But Disney was down, NRZ, the kind of REIT I owned, was down, Microsoft was down, Facebook was down, Apple was down, Amazon down, Google down, all those things. But on my gain and losses, we can go over that too. So on Alibaba, I've been up $50 on that one share I bought. I just bought that one share. I want to get more, but I just haven't I've wanted to choose companies that were going to grow more, so I chose Tesla instead. We also have Google, and I think Google's honestly personally a steal right now. It's only worth 1,400, which is still a lot. Don't get me wrong, but like just last week it was worth 1,700. So I want to start throwing some money at that stock as well. And then same with Amazon. You can check here the times I bought it. I bought it when it was 3,147, just like 1% of a share. And then all the way as low as 2,400, and now it's back down to 2,900. So I do want to buy some more of that because I know it's pretty undervalued under 3,000. Amazon's a huge company and a really big important company. Apple post stock split 91. I bought it at $91, 5.6 shares. Big company, we all know that they have low dividends. So I mean, it's a company that's always going to grow usually. So it's always good to buy that one. Facebook. 1.3 shares. I made $13 off it, surprisingly, but it has hit $310. I think that was their max. And after that, it just completely dropped. I believe after they came out with Instagram came out with the Instagram wheel that like copied TikTok. That's when this stock started to drop. So the next one is FMCI, and I believe I have talked about this stock. I think even in the last video, the last update I posted, I didn't make that much money off it. I think it was up maybe like $5 a share. But it has actually doubled in value, my investment. So I started buying this stock back in June 3rd, about 15 shares at $11.82. And my friend just told me, hey, this is a pretty good company. Like, they have a good balance sheet. They're going to go public. And it was on a SPAC. So I was like, all right, I'll throw 15 shares at it. I started reading more information about it. And I was like, wow, this is going to be a good company when they go actual public, when the ticker changes. So I just started slowly buying more. You can see when I bought it, just 7 days later with the $15, like I think everyone started buying into it. So I started slowly buying. I only bought dips, and then the last time it dipped to like 13, 11, I bought 5 more. Then ever since that day, it's gone up, basically. So I've doubled my investment on there. I've invested, I think like, $600 in this company, and it made me 14. I'm at 1,400 now, so I made 715. It's a pretty good investment in my opinion. Gevo, there's a stock I saw on Webull. I was like, maybe I can make some money. I threw like $200 at it. Nothing big. Microsoft, good company to invest in. It's always going to grow. It's kind of like Apple. They do like cloud computing, Xbox. We all know that. So I just threw some share. I threw some money at it. Basically, yeah. Nothing. You guys already know about Microsoft mostly if you're investing. NRZ, they're the company who took a major dip in March because of the housing. People were paying their rents, so the stock dropped, and it's probably will recover. I don't know when, but I just started buying up shares, about 120 shares. You'll make about 10 with the 121 shares. You'll make about $10 a quarter on dividends, which isn't bad at all. I mean, I can wait for the dividends to recover. The dividends were paying 50 cents a share pre-COVID. So if I have 100, I'll get $50. That'd be nice. But it's going to be a long hold, honestly. It's going to be a long hold. Pershing Square, that's just a warrant to buy Bill Ackman's back, Pershing Square. And then Pershing Square, I bought 10 shares of that. I don't know what company he's going to choose, but I hope it might be Airbnb if they don't choose their route for they choose a roadshow option for IPO instead of SPAC. So if Airbnb has talked about being the Pershing Square REIT SPAC, so that'd be cool. Rocket Companies, this company's been crazy. It's reached as high as like 35 and has dropped down back to 22. So I bought an IPO. I bought $1 up from IPO the same day. I thought it was a good company. I always see advertising for it. They have a good balance sheet. They were profitable this quarter, so I thought I'd just buy the company stock. Only 20 shares. I actually might buy some more soon once they get paid. But here it is. I hear Tesla, my baby, right here. I've been buying Tesla stock for a while. Bought my first one in April. Since then, I just kept buying as soon as I can. And I should have bought more, knowing that it's going to increase this much in the split, but that's all good. I reached 52 shares. I want to get to 100. I want to get to 100 shares to call it a day and not buy anymore. So that's going to happen in the near future. I'm going to slowly start buying some. Once they're in the S&P, I can actually start buying them in fractional shares on Schwab. So that's probably what I'll do. I've made $12K off this stock, and I mean, it's not about the money with Tesla. It's about their vision, what they're going to achieve, and I want to make money along the way. Honestly, I believe in everything they're doing, and I'll always back them. Now, it's the first car I'm going to get to, so when I get that car, I'll probably post on YouTube channel. So watch out for that. And then Disney stock. I'm a big fan of Disney. I think they're going to be really good. I mean, they take a huge hit like everyone in March, so I think it's still undervalued. But their park's down, but they're still doing everything else: movies, the streaming website. So great company. And that's about it. There's nothing else to really talk about with my account. It was a really big breakdown, like I did my first video, but I haven't done a really big breakdown since then. So I want to go over everything. I just do these videos once a month, unless something crazy happens. I'll post a part 2. But for the moment, this will be my only video I'm going to post. Unless Tesla battery day goes crazy and the stock go crazy, then I'll post about it. But I'll post another video in October talking about what's going on. And yeah, so if you like this video, go and give it a like. It'd be much appreciated. Also, subscribe if you're not, because only about 35% of the people who watch these videos are actually subscribed. So it'd be much appreciated. And I'm also going to drop down my link below so you can use acorns and get $5 towards your account. And I'll get $5 towards the account. So it helps me out. It helps you out. We both win. That being said, thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. And I'll see you guys next month with an update.